Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to log in Apple account on iPhone. So if you just go to your iPhone and now you want to sign into your Apple account, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this, you find this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to sign in or log into an Apple account on your iPhone, all you need to do is first swipe that to control center and make sure your iPhone is connected to an internet. So click on the connectivity box, connect to hotspot or Wi-Fi, or use cellular data or mobile data on your phone. So whether you connect to cellular data or mobile data or hotspot, just make sure your iPhone is connected to the internet. After that, go ahead and open the settings app. And then on the settings app, you see Apple account. Go ahead and click on that. Now, once you click on Apple account, then you see Apple account, use another device, sign in manually, or if you don't have an Apple account and you want to create one, click on don't have an Apple account. Now go ahead and click on sign in manually. Here you need to enter email address or phone number and passcode or password, then verify your identity. Then go ahead and type in your Apple account email address. So if you set phone number as your login data, then type in the phone number like this, and then click on continue. Once you hit the continue button, then you'll be prompted to type in your Apple account password. Now go ahead and type in the password. Now, once you type in the password, go ahead and click on the done button and then hang on. Now, if the password and the Apple ID is correct, then you should see Apple account verification code. A message with verification code will be sent to your other device running now as a 10 or Mac, then enter the code. So if you have other device like iPad, go ahead and type in the code. If you didn't get the code, click on didn't get the code. And then it should say send code to phone number or send new code. Now in this case, I'm going to send this code to my phone number. Send to phone number and then hang on. Then it should say signing in. So if the phone number is on your iPhone itself, then your iPhone is going to pick the code automatically and it should say signing in. So the time it takes to sign into the Apple account on your iPhone depends on your internet and as well as the number of data your iPhone is copying from the iCloud to your iPhone. Now, once the process is completed, you'll be prompted to enter your iPhone passcode. So go ahead and type in your iPhone passcode and then hang on. If your iPhone passcode is correct, then the Apple account will be logged in on your iPhone and then it will be added to it. So just hang on for Apple to confirm the password and it should say your Safari data freeform board and contact on this iPhone will be uploaded and merged with iCloud. So go ahead and tap match. And then once you tap the match button, then hang on while your data is matched with whatever data you have from the same application or the same setup on your iCloud. So this might take a couple of seconds. This depends on the bulkness or the file size that you want to merge from your iPhone to your iCloud. And if you don't want to merge this together, you can also click on don't merge to skip the step where your iPhone merges whatever you have on your iPhone to the iCloud. And then after a couple of seconds, then you should see your Apple account signed in and then you're good to go. So that is basically how to log in or sign in Apple account on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.